Okay, so today Harry is going to go to a bird meet and see all your birdie friends, aren't you? Ready to go in the car? Do you want to go in the car? Yes? Okay, let's go. Harry, are you excited? We're in the car. Are you excited? Woohoo! Woohoo! In the car! Woo! Yeah, we're on our way. We're on our way to see our friends. Yeah? You gonna see our friends? Yes? Yeah! Go see Picasso, Charlie, Archie, and I'm sure there's lots more. I just can't quite remember. Willow, gonna see Willow. Haven't met Willow. And we're at the birdie meet. Yum yum, Harry. Yum yum.
Seeing your pretty hair.
Where's Charlie?
Charlie's over there. She'll probably.
What do you think, Harry? All the birds? What do you think? Got lots of birdie friends here, don't we? Lots of birdie friends.
Got your birds, Sarah?
No, I definitely don't.
Birdies everywhere. Okay, all finished at the bird party. Time to go home now. Harry brought a roadie for the trip home, and now he's working on the cup. Uh-oh. Had too much, eh, Harry? Alright, home time. Say bye-bye.